Welcome to the Business Financial News Network channel. I am Banny, and my job is to relay the latest business and financial news. Citigroup has announced its decision to pursue an initial public offering, IPO, for its Mexico business, Banamex, after a 16-month effort to find a buyer for the unit. The separation process is expected to be completed in the second half of 2024, followed by a potential public offering in 2025. The destination for the listing has not been determined yet, but a dual listing in Mexico and the United States is a possibility. Citigroup's shares experienced a 3% drop in early trading following the announcement. CEO Jane Fraser explained that the decision to focus solely on an IPO of Banamex was made after careful consideration, aiming to maximize value for shareholders and simplify the firm. Jane Fraser has been implementing significant changes to Citigroup since assuming the role of CEO in March 2021, including a reduction in the bank's global footprint. Plans to sell or conduct an IPO for Banamex were disclosed in January 2022. Despite attracting interest from several potential buyers, sales talks fell apart recently. Citigroup was close to finalizing a deal to sell a significant portion of Banamex to Grupo Mexico for approximately $7 billion. Sales negotiations were complicated by demands from Mexico's president to protect the bank's employees and its holdings of Mexican artwork in any transaction. Citigroup originally acquired Banamex for $12.5 billion in 2001, establishing itself as the only major U.S. lender with a substantial presence in Mexico. However, the business has faced challenges in maintaining market share against locally owned competitors. Banamex currently has 38,000 employees, 1,300 branches, over 12 million retail clients, and approximately 10 million pension customers, according to Citigroup. The bank clarified that Banamex's results will still be reported under Citigroup until ownership falls below 50%. Citigroup intends to retain its institutional and private banking operations in Mexico. Citigroup's decision to pursue an IPO for Banamex represents a shift from its previous plans to sell the business. This move is part of CEO Jane Fraser's strategy to maximize value for shareholders and simplify the firm. The sales effort faced challenges, including demands from Mexico's president, which ultimately led to the decision to pursue an IPO. Citigroup's decision allows the bank to resume share buybacks, which had been put on hold due to the expected impact of a sale on the bank's capital levels. In other news, Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai has made commitments and discussed important topics during meetings with European Union officials. Pichai stated that Google, an Alphabet-owned company, will collaborate with other firms on self-regulation to ensure responsible development of AI products and services. This move aims to establish an AI pact voluntarily before the legal deadline of AI regulation, according to European Commissioner Thierry Breton. Pichai emphasized the importance of complying with all EU rules, including data protection, online safety, and artificial intelligence. European regulators have recently approved groundbreaking rules for AI, which take a risk-based approach to regulation. High-risk applications like facial recognition are banned, and applications with limited risks face strict transparency requirements. The concerns around AI's risks, particularly advanced forms such as generative AI and large language models, have led to discussions among industry leaders, politicians, and academics. These tools can generate content easily based on given prompts, raising concerns about labor market disruption and the potential for disinformation. Pichai assured Vice President Vera Jourova of the European Commission that Google is committed to developing AI products with safety in mind. Both Pichai and Jourova recognize the impact of AI on disinformation and the need to prepare for AI-generated threats. Efforts may involve marking or making transparent AI-generated content. Pichai highlighted Google's existing safeguards in AI models and ongoing investments to ensure a safe rollout of new products in this space. What do you think of Citigroup's IPO for its Mexico business Banamex? Do you think this is a smart move for Citigroup? Also, what do you think of commitments to the EU on AI? How do you think this will shape AI regulation in the future? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. If you want to be updated on the latest business and financial news, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Take care and have a great rest of your day.